Okay, let's talk about the difference between sorting and filtering, because sometimes there can be some confusion because when you start looking at the filtering options, you also see sorting options in there, so it can be kind of weird. But they're doing two different things to your data. So first of all, when we talk about sorting, we're talking about taking a set of data and sorting it in a specific order or grouping like values together. Most of the time when we're thinking about sorting, we're thinking about putting it in the order, right? Alphabetical order, numerical order, chronological order, right? In ascending or descending fashion. But sometimes if we start dealing with like sorting of formats or things like that, or even sorting where there are multiples of the same value, for example, maybe I have just an itemized list of sales, and one of the columns is the salesperson, and there are multiple entries for each salesperson, and I want to group all the salesperson's entries together while sorting them, right? Sort is going to do both of those things, okay? So when we talk about sorting, we're talking about arranging our data in a specific grouping and or order, okay? When we talk about filtering, on the other hand, this is where we only select the data that meets a given criteria, right? So we're talking about that same thing. I have a list of itemized sales, and I want to only see the sales for Mark Johnson, right? I can do a filter to only show me the sales for Mark Johnson. Or maybe I only want to see sales that are greater than $10,000, right? Or maybe I only want to see sales from the Northeast region that are under a quantity of 10, right? So multiple columns being filtered there. We can do all of that kind of thing, all right? So we're going to start taking a look at the different ways that we can apply sorts, the different ways that we can apply filters, and what it looks like inside of our worksheet. We're going to get into those things in other videos.